Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we've got a very special garage tour, and this is a very exclusive garage. Lots of Japanese cars, all Japanese cars. So I'll just quickly introduce you to the owner, and then we can see why did he buy these Japanese cars. उनका लेने का reason क्या था? Is he satisfied with the cars or not? So right now we'll start with the garage. Basically, if I show you the garage. He's got a Wellfire, an Innova Krista, a Wagon R, interesting one, and over there a couple of Lexuses. So this garage belongs to Mr. Vaidik. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you. Thank you for taking out the time. So right now we'll first start with the Wellfire.
Yeah.
And Wellfire, I can see that this is the pre-facelift, what we can call in India. And
So this is the previous gen. So
Previous gen.
Yeah. So basically, this is the facelifted gen, and then there's the another gen, which is the current one, which we can buy.
okay, so this is the previous gen, what we can
Certainly,
call.
certainly.
And let's look at the car. First of all, tell me what do you think about the front styling. To be very honest, मतलब आपका जो ये lamps हैं and everything.
I'll be very honest. So the first time when I had a look at this vehicle, so the first gen also, the current this gen. So when it was launched in India, I had a word with the Toyota team, and I got this car on the launch date itself.
Oh, nice.
To my house because I was too curious to have a look at this. And personally, I think this has a very diplomatic look.
Diplomatic.
Yeah, any diplomat who is traveling among in India,
He would love to be in this car.
This car represents a diplomat.
Right. So quick overview of the front. See, this has got the 360-degree camera because this is the executive lounge, so it's got all the special features. Also, we'll get to that. Blue Toyota logo, hybrid है इसलिए. Lots of chrome. The chrome in this car is a little over the top. Projector LED headlamps. Here we got some DRLs, some fog lamps over there. So very in your face kind of a look, very bold look we can say. Now we'll come on to the side. This has got the mirror chrome kind of alloys, we can call them.
Yeah, you can say silverish chrome.
Silverish chrome. And here we've got the hybrid badging. So let's just move inside the car now because that is what this car is known for.
Yeah.
We'll see a couple of its interesting features. And so this is how you open the driver's door. Pretty massive opening door, to be honest. Opens almost 85 degrees. यहाँ पे सारे controls. You actually get a step क्योंकि ये काफी ऊंची है. And driver gets ventilated seats. So this is what a proper telescopic steering. यहाँ पे power button मिल जाता है. Key इसकी इस type की दिखती है. This is the Wellfire key. You can see right here. Gates आप इससे ही open कर सकते हो. Cool stuff. And here we've got this touch screen, which is very nice. Lots of cool features in that, map वगैरह. स्टार्टअप एनिमेशन लुक्स लाइक दिस. वेलफेयर यहाँ पे लिख के आता है. हियर वी गेट द टोयोटा बैजिंग. यहाँ पे सारा इसका बहुत सारे क्लाइमेट कंट्रोल के जोन्स हैं इसमें बेसिकली बिकॉज द ओनर ही वांट्स टू सिट एट द बैक, तो उसके लिए अलग अपना उसके कंफर्ट का जोन आगे अलग. यहाँ से 360 डिग्री व्यू आपको दिखता है. 360 व्यू आपको. सो राइट नाउ इट्स इन ईवी मोड. इसमें एक प्रॉपर ईवी मोड भी है ओनली फॉर ईवी ड्राइविंग. यहाँ पे काफी सारा वुडन पैनल्स वगैरह, ऑटो डिमिंग IRVM. हियर द ड्राइवर गेट्स अ प्रॉपर वेरी वेलवेटी, यू नो, दिस इज स्वेड. एक्चुअली स्वेड का बना हुआ है ये सनस्क्रीन, सनशेड व्हाट वी कॉल. तो दिस इज ऑल्सो इंटरेस्टिंग. आप स्लाइड करोगे, यहाँ से आपकी लाइट जलती है. Interesting stuff. But what is really special about this car is the rear seat. We are a little short on time, so we'll move straight towards the rear seat. Interesting thing, automatic doors this has got. तो one touch, यहाँ पे आप टच करोगे अपने आप डोर स्लाइड करते हैं. Even the chauffeur can do that. You can also do that from the key. So let's just go inside.
So this is the panel.
This is the panel over here. यहाँ पे
Ventilated seats.
ventilated seats, very cool. Heated also.
Yeah.
And
Then this is the under thigh support.
under thigh support we've got here. So this one extends.
Yeah. So this is the highest position. Now it can
Okay.
extend.
ओके, तो ये आगे पीछे भी हो सकता है, ऊपर नीचे और आगे पीछे. तो इट्स गॉट ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ अप एंड.
And then you can recline.
Okay, this is the seat recline. What you can see right here, the seat can recline all the way back.
Yeah, it can go even further.
Oh, damn, almost flat bed kind of a position.
And then by one press, it'll come back to normal position.
Okay, the seat recline also and the thigh support also, all of it.
Everything is there.
And
And these are the reading lights button.
रीडिंग लाइट्स यहाँ पे. here you get the reading lights और काफी
Decrease and increase.
okay, you can adjust its brightness also.
Yeah.
And memory function also for the passenger.
Yeah, two options of
Two options. And lots of grab rails. You get a grab rail here, you get a grab rail here because it's a high car. You need lots of.
This is the most convenient one once to step in, to step out.
Okay.
And this is just a showcase, to be very honest with you. This is the main thing.
And over here we've actually got this. This is actually a tray. This comes out like this. Then you put it here. तो ये आपका tray बन जाता है.
Yep. And you can slide it forward as well.
You can slide it forward. You can keep it at your favorable position. And once you're done, you just do it like this. Put it back.
Yeah.
And back it goes. So here you can close it. Here you get the remote. Remote say you can operate this. This is the 14-inch screen which you get in the executive lounge. Here you get the individual sunroof which you can open here, and also temperature वगैरह के सारे settings आपको यहीं मिल जाते हैं. Also you can change the color of the lights and the brightness. यहाँ से you can change the color. You know, you can just change it to multiple colors and lots of colors actually. So this gets the manual window shades, proper full privacy. You can get AC vents आपको मिल जाते हैं. Third row is also pretty nice. He was telling me that he once traveled in the third row and he was very comfortable.
Yeah, I traveled to Kasauli, Agra, on third row as well, and I had no issues. I was pretty much satisfied. It felt like the second row of high cross. So,
Oh wow, that's a compliment for any car's third row.
so I was pretty much satisfied with it.
Now we'll just move towards the rear, see what it looks like from the rear, and conclude this. So this is what it looks like from the back. LED tail lamps, very nice, rectangularish, काफी cute इसमें ये बने हुए हैं symbols. Welfare की badging, executive lounge, blue Toyota का logo. So this is the boot space which you get after having 6 seats in the car, which is a lot. I think how many suitcases can you fit here after the all seats up?
So we were a total of 6 people,
Huh?
and we were traveling for a week.
Huh?
So every person's suitcase was easily here, and with additional carry
bags and everything.
Yeah.
Okay, so even after using all the seats, you don't have any shortage of luggage space.
No, nothing.
Huh. That's very cool. All the lights are LED, even the number plate lights you can see LED. So here you get the badging. This is the hybrid badging, the E4 badging, because this uses the hybrid system basically.
So E4 is basically this car has this hybrid synergy drive.
Huh.
E4. That means basically front wheel drive is there, and once it is required to go into all wheel drive,
Huh.
it will automatically switch over in specific places. Suppose we are on the ramp and we plan to reverse the vehicle.
Huh.
So it will automatically switch over if the car needs certain more push.
Okay.
So because of that, this technology is developed. Otherwise, it functions on 4x2, which is the front wheel drive.
Huh. And then last question: people who are buying this car, they are already spending a lot.
Yep.
So they want to save also because they're buying a comfortable hybrid car. So what's the fuel efficiency like in the city and the highway, and what's the maintenance like for a Toyota?
So basically, I spent approximately 20K for this year's service,
Okay.
and it is done after every 10,000 kilometers or 1 year.
Okay.
And when we talk about the highway mileage, so highway mileage is around 13 to 14. And when you talk about local commute, it gives approximately 14 to 15.
14 to 15. हाइब्रिड सिटी में ज्यादा देती है बिकॉज इट हैज मोर चांसेस टू टेक ओवर फॉर द बैटरी. वो बैटरी ज्यादा किक इन कर जाती है, एंड ब्रेकिंग भी ज्यादा होती है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट
Braking is one of the main cause because that charges the battery.
बैटरी. सो थैंक यू सो मच वैदिक. वेरी नाइस. प्रॉपर वेलफेयर का टूर इन्होंने दिया. सच अ स्पेशल कार. रियली वांटेड टू डू दिस फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम. एंड नाउ विल मूव ऑन टुवर्ड्स द अदर कूल वंस, द लेक्ससेस, यू नो. So thanks for this, and we'll
No
see you
worries.
again soon.
Done.